everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to solve the removal of left recursion problem in theory of computation. So if you see, I took 3 examples. If you solve these all 3 examples, you will be understanding and you are capable enough to solve all problems related to this concept. Now, the generalized format of the left recursion problem will be A producing A alpha slash beta. So in this format, the left recursion problem will be there. So if you see, A is producing A alpha. So the producer and the starting of the projection is same. Producer and the starting of the projection is same. So in this condition, you can call it as the left recursion. You must remove it. How you will remove means, so you will write like this: A producing beta A dash producing alpha A dash slash epsilon. So you must convert this general form where A producing A itself into this format, into this 2 format, so that there will be the removal of the left recursion. Let's jump into the problem. You will get the problem easily. So first, if you see, yes producing capital letter A, capital letter B, capital letter C. Producer is capital letter S and the first letter of projection is capital letter A. Whether both of them are same? No. No means this is correct only. If they are same means then only you must apply this one. Otherwise you must keep as it is. Now let's move to the another projection of the first question. A producing capital letter A, small letter A. Another is capital letter A, small letter D and slash B. If you see, A producing capital letter A and this is the separate projection produced by A itself. So A producing capital letter A and A producing small letter B. So here there is no left recursion. So you can write here. So let's take it as a 2 separate problem and solve. So A producing capital letter A, small letter A slash B. So if you see, this will be considered as the alpha and this will be considered as beta. So which will be considered as beta? Beta is the value where there is no left recursion in the projection. Here small letter B is there. So there is no left recursion. So you can tell it as a beta value. So convert it. So A producing beta A dash. Beta value is small letter B A dash producing alpha. Alpha is A, small letter A dash slash epsilon. So instead of this, you will be writing these 2 production. A producing B A dash producing small letter A dash slash epsilon. See, up to the end of the question or the end of the video, you will be getting the concept. So let's solve all the problems, you will get the concept easily. Now, if you see, I have completed or removed the left recursion in this one, but I not removed in this one. So again consider A producing small capital letter A, small letter D and beta value will be of small letter B itself. Small letter B because there is no left recursion in it. So small letter B will be here and A give rise to beta A dash. Small letter B is itself a beta and A dash give rise to alpha. Alpha value is changed. That is small letter B A dash slash epsilon. So instead of this one, you will be writing these 2 production. A producing beta A dash is already written. So no need to write it again. So you just write this one. A producing small letter B A dash slash epsilon. Now this is over. This is over. Now let's move on to the another. B producing capital letter B, small b slash epsilon. So if you see, small letter E is there. There is no left production in this projection. So you will be using this as the beta and capital letter B producing capital letter B. Yes, there is a left recursion in it. So in the place of A, you will be using the B. So B producing capital letter B and small letter b. In the place of beta, it will be small letter e. So what it will be? B producing beta. Beta value is small letter e b dash. Next b dash producing alpha b dash. Alpha b dash slash epsilon. Alpha value is small letter b. Just copy these two instead of this one. So B producing small letter E B dash producing small letter B dash slash epsilon. Now this one is also over, left out with only one. So C producing capital letter C, small letter C and small letter G. G is not having the left recursion, but capital letter C is having the left recursion. So to remove it, C producing capital letter C, small letter C and beta value will be of G. So you must write it in the format like this. C producing beta value is small letter G, C dash producing small letter C dash slash epsilon, because alpha value is small letter C. Instead of this one, copy these two. C producing G C dash producing small c capital C dash slash epsilon. Now in the first problem, you have removed all the left recursion and simplified the problem. Now let's move on to the second question. So in the second question, E producing capital letter E plus T slash T is the question. So if you see E producing capital letter E, yes, there is a left recursion. And another projection is capital letter T, E producing capital letter T. Whether there is any left recursion? No, because both are not same. So you can consider this as a beta value. So if you can write like this, E producing E plus T slash T. So plus T will be considered as alpha and T will be considered as beta. Plus also you must include. So now if you write in this format, E producing beta, that is T E dash producing alpha plus T E dash slash epsilon. So this format you must write here. So the answer for second question is E producing capital letter T E dash producing plus T E dash slash epsilon. Now you have removed the left recursion in the second problem also. Now let's move on to the third question. So what is the third question? S producing S01 S0 slash 01. If you see, two projections are there which is produced by the S. So it is producing a left recursion. If you see another projection, it is starting with 01. So here the producer is capital letter S. Both are different. So you can consider 01 as a beta value. So now alpha value is 01 S0 except capital letter S, all will be considered as the alpha value. This will be the beta value. So beta value is 0 and 1. If you convert to this format, S producing beta 01 A dash means S dash producing alpha value 01 S0 and S dash slash epsilon. So now you have removed the left recursion in the third problem also. So now hope you understood the problem, how to remove the left recursion in a given problem. If you have any doubt, please comment below, I will clarify it. If you liked the video, don't miss to subscribe, because your one subscription motivates us to make more engineering related videos. Thank you.